All right, Zone 10 gardeners, listen up. January is here, and while much of the country is dealing with snow and freezing temperatures, we're lucky to have one of the most plant-friendly climates around. You've got mild winters, plenty of sun, and the perfect conditions to grow some amazing veggies, herbs, and flowers. Today, I'm giving you a complete guide on what you can plant right now to make your garden thrive this winter. By the time spring rolls around, your garden will stand out in the neighborhood. Let's get started! January in Zone 10 is like winning the gardening lottery. Why? Because with our mild winters, you've got an early advantage. It's not too hot, not too cold, just right for getting seeds and transplants into the soil. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, there's a lot you can do this month to prepare for gardening success. I remember planting spinach and snapdragons one January a few years ago, and by February my garden was bursting with life. It's so rewarding to see what just a little effort can turn into. Today, I'll show you how to make that happen in your own garden. Let's jump into the veggies. If you're anything like me, there's nothing better than picking fresh, homegrown produce straight from your garden. Here's what you should plant this month: leafy greens. This is the best time for spinach, kale, and lettuce. These greens love cooler weather and grow fast. Here's how to get them started. Spinach, plant the seeds about ½ inch deep and space them 3 inches apart. Make sure the soil stays damp, but not soaked. You'll start seeing baby spinach leaves in just a few weeks. Keep an eye on them and harvest the leaves as soon as they're big enough to eat. Fresh spinach from your garden has an unbeatable flavor. Kale, this one's a nutrition champ. It grows well in Zone 10 and can even handle a light frost. Give each plant about 12 inches of space to spread out. Kale keeps producing as long as you pick the outer leaves first. Lettuce, whether you prefer romaine, butterhead, or leaf lettuce, January is perfect for starting seeds. Keep the soil loose and don't let it dry out. Lettuce grows quickly, so you can start harvesting the outer leaves in just a few weeks. It's perfect for fresh salads or sandwich toppings. Root crops. Carrots, radishes, and beets grow great in January. These are also beginner-friendly. Carrots! Use loose, sandy soil so they grow straight. Plant the seeds thinly and cover them with a light layer of soil. Water gently and keep the soil damp. Carrots take time to mature, but the sweet crunch of a homegrown carrot is worth the wait. Be patient and resist pulling them out too early. Radishes? These are super fast growers ready to harvest in as little as 30 days. Plant them about 1 inch apart and water regularly. Radishes add a nice kick to your salads and are very rewarding to grow because they're so quick. Beets, space them about 3 inches apart and make sure the soil is rich in organic matter. Beets are a 2-in-1 crop because you can eat both the roots and the greens. Keep the soil evenly moist and you'll have a tasty harvest in no time. Cool season veggies. Broccoli, cauliflower, and peas are perfect for January planting. Broccoli and cauliflower, start with young plants if you're short on time. They need about 18 inches of space and consistent watering. These veggies grow best in cooler temperatures, so January is the ideal time to plant them. Watch out for pests like caterpillars and use natural methods to manage them. Peas, whether it's snap peas or shelling peas, these thrive in cooler weather. Plant them along a trellis or support system for easy harvesting. Peas are not only tasty but also improve your soil by fixing nitrogen. Harvest them often to encourage more production. Cover your plants with a lightweight frost cloth if you're expecting a cold spell, but most of the time you won't even need it. These veggies are quite resilient and can handle a bit of cold. Now, let's talk about adding some color to your garden. Flowers aren't just decorative. They also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which help your veggies thrive. Here's what you can plant. Pansies, these cheerful blooms love the cooler weather. Plant them in well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with vibrant colors all winter. Pansies are easy to care for and can even bounce back after a light frost. They're perfect for brightening up any corner of your garden. Petunias, easy to grow and available in almost every color imaginable. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Petunias are a great choice for hanging baskets, containers, or garden beds. Remove spent blooms regularly to keep the flowers coming. Snapdragons. These are tall, dramatic, and come in a rainbow of colors. Plant them in groups for a stunning display. Snapdragons enjoy cooler weather and make excellent cut flowers for arrangements. They add height and texture to your garden. Lavender. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's also drought-tolerant once established. Make sure it gets plenty of sun and well-drained soil. Lavender is a great choice for borders or rock gardens and can be used in homemade sachets or teas. Dianthus, these little beauties are easy to care for and perfect for borders or containers. They love full sun and a bit of fertilizer now and then. Dianthus adds a lovely pop of color and a spicy fragrance to your garden. Geraniums, classic and reliable geraniums bring bold colors to your garden. They're perfect for containers or garden beds. Geraniums are low maintenance and can handle a bit of neglect, making them ideal for busy gardeners. Before planting flowers, mix in some compost to give them a nutrient boost. And remember to remove spent blooms to encourage new growth. Healthy flowers attract more pollinators, which means healthier vegetables for you. No garden is complete without herbs. They're easy to grow, smell incredible, and make your meals taste amazing. Here are the best herbs to plant in January. Cilantro. This herb thrives in cooler weather, but goes to seed quickly in heat. Plant it in a spot with morning sun and afternoon shade. Harvest the leaves frequently to keep the plant productive. Fresh cilantro is a must-have for salsas, soups, and more. Parsley, flat leaf or curly. Parsley is super versatile. Plant it in well-drained soil and keep it evenly watered. Parsley is slow to start, but once it gets going, it produces leaves for months. Use it fresh or dry it for later use. Dill. Dill grows fast and pairs beautifully with carrots in the garden. Give it full sun and enjoy fresh dill for your recipes. Dill is perfect for making pickles or adding a unique flavor to fish dishes. Let it flower for a bonus. The blooms attract helpful insects. Chives. These durable herbs are perfect for borders or containers. They're easy to care for and excellent for adding a mild onion flavor to dishes. Chives produce lovely purple flowers that are edible and look great in salads. Harvest herbs regularly to encourage new growth and keep an eye out for bugs like aphids. Herbs are a great way to make your garden more practical and fragrant. Whether you're planting veggies, flowers, or herbs, take a moment to enjoy the process. Gardening isn't just about the results, it's about the happiness of watching something grow. Happy planting! Let's make this January garden the best one yet. Mulch. Spread a layer of mulch around your plants to help keep the soil moist, control its temperature, and reduce weeds. Pest control. Keep an eye out for bugs like aphids and caterpillars. Use neem oil or a homemade soap spray to manage them. Fertilize smart. Use compost or an organic fertilizer to give your plants the nutrients they need. Don't over-fertilize. A small amount goes a long way. Water wisely. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation and lower the risk of fungal diseases. Think about succession planting. As you harvest one crop, have seeds or transplants ready to go in their place. All right, now it's your turn. What are you planting this January? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your garden plans. And if this video gave you some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my Zone 10 gardening tips. Let's make this year your best gardening year yet. Happy planting!